I'm about to get started building my electric fireplace mantle. It does come in 2 separate boxes, so I just wanted to show you guys that. If you do order it, look out for 2 boxes coming your way. So I did just finish putting it together, so I'm decorating it, but don't worry, I will show you a bit of the build process towards the end of the video. It's super easy to assemble and the instructions are clear and straightforward. For now, let's take a look at the unit itself. This freestanding fireplace has a rectangular design that looks beautiful against a wall in your bedroom, living room, or office. It measures about 47 inches long, 27 inches tall, and 15.5 inches wide, making it the perfect size to add warmth and style without taking up too much space. It also features built-in overheat protection, designed with safety as a top priority. The system automatically monitors the internal temperature and will shut off if the unit gets too hot during extended use. This means that you can enjoy the cozy look and feel of a real fireplace without worrying about your safety. You can control it in 2 ways, either with the remote control or by using the buttons located on the inside panel. There's a power button to turn it on and off, and a flame button to adjust the brightness through 5 different levels, and a temperature control button to raise or lower the heat. And yes, you can definitely feel the warmth when it's on. It also has built-in storage with adjustable shelves on each side, perfect for keeping decor, books, or media accessories neatly organized. You can easily customize the shelf height to fit whatever you'd like to display or store, making it both functional and stylish. So if you're looking for a fireplace that not only adds warmth and ambience, but also gives you practical storage and beautiful design, this one checks all of the boxes. Now I'm just going to quickly go over assembly for putting it together. So first you're going to attach your door stoppers to panels 4 and 5 and the corresponding magnetic pieces to the doors 6 and 7, along with the door handles. Then you're going to screw in your screws that will lock into the cam locks on pieces 9, 1, 4, and 5, and then you're going to insert your cam locks and dowels into pieces 4, 8, and 5. After that, you're going to slide in your outside and inside furniture pieces on the base, insert panel 12 on the back, and then put the top piece carefully into the screws and dowels and tighten your cam locks to screw all together. So here I am putting that top piece on. It kind of helps to have an eye underneath and then just slowly push it on. Here are my cam locks. I'm about to screw them in, and this will tighten everything up so it's nice and sturdy. And you can see I built this all by myself, so it is easy to put together and it's not too heavy to move by yourself either. Next, you're going to put in your shelf holders and your shelves where you would like. And after that, you're going to swing around to the back and you're going to insert the back panels. Make sure the white piece is facing forward so that when you open your doors, it is white inside and it's all cohesive. And you're going to go back to your front and attach your doors. Super easy, and there are pre-drilled holes. Next, you're going to carefully slide your fireplace in from the back and secure it with screws that get screwed in from the back. Lastly, decorate and enjoy how you wish. Between the cozy LED flames, the adjustable heat, and the extra storage, this fireplace instantly transforms any room into a warm, inviting space. So if you've been thinking about adding a freestanding electric fireplace to your home, this one truly has it all: style, function, and comfort.